Okay. So, ano masasabi niyo sa movie The Girlfriend for Hire?
Oh my God! Super great and super funny.
Honestly, it makes sense.
Oo, true.
We're so proud of you and the cast. So excited for you to get it's your time.
Is it?
Okay. What's your favorite scene from the movie?
Ako favorite scene ko sa mga kami umuulan. Ewan ko, sobrang funny siya. Ganun siya magwala talaga ng ulan.
Can't pick. It's all.
Bakit dapat panoorin ang Girlfriend for Hire?
There isn't a lot to do with this.
Pasabi na lang, watch Girlfriend for Hire, now showing.
Watch Girlfriend for Hire!
Now showing.
Thank you.